Hello everyone, welcome to F&B's Farm channel. Today is Tuesday the 15th of March 2022. I just wanted to do an update on what I planted over a week ago, almost 10 days now. As you can see, nothing's come up at the moment from the trays. So just to recap, what I planted was sweet corn, various peppers in each of these rows, so a different type in each of these rows, and two types of tomatoes at the back here, one here, and if I remember correctly, is one type in both of these rows here. So at the moment we've got nothing, but what I've done is I'm using this bread bin, which I no longer use for bread, so I usually keep them inside, and what I'm doing is I'm putting the trays inside the bread bin, and then I'm putting it on top of the fridge in the kitchen just to keep it warm at night. So I'm keeping them inside here and inside the property because we've had snow last weekend just gone. It didn't snow particularly where I am on the island. It's mainly the mountain areas. However, obviously the temperature has dropped as low as 5 centigrade. 5 Celsius. So therefore, until they shoot up and obviously, get a bit big, so I can plant them in a larger pot, I'd rather keep them inside. And also just to mention that the seeds I've used are out of date, so I'm not familiar, because this is something I'm new to. I'm not familiar with whether they're going to work. But like I said in my previous video, let's see what happens, and we'll give it a shot. If nothing comes up, I'd say in the next couple of days to a week, I may have to go out and buy some new seeds. I was meant to go down to the local home store, which I've yet to do, but I just thought I'd keep you in a loop, give you an update on what's happening. I did want to plant more stuff as well, but for the minute I just want to see what's going to happen with what I've done here, and if all goes to plan, then I'll plant some more stuff and I'll do another update within the next week or so. But that's it for the time being, guys. Keep safe and well, and see you soon.